how to add NetMirror app on iPhone. So if you want to add NetMirror app on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then once you have your internet connection, what you need to do is you just need simply go with your app store, make sure that you have logged into your account, and then go with the search which is on the bottom, and here you need to search for NetMirror. And once you've searched for the NetMirror, here as you can see that you will find the NetMirror application, which is right here. So if you want to download this application, you just need simply go with get, which will be right here. In my case, I've already downloaded. But if you've not, then you just need simply click on get. And once you click on get, it might ask you for your Face ID or your face scan, or you can also enter your Apple ID password. And once you enter your password, it will start the download process. And after downloading, you can open up your application and then use your NetMirror. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.